softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rebi. If you're new to my channel, thank you very much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload more videos. And if you're returning, thank you very much for coming back. Alright guys, today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Okay, so let me just stop talking and let me just go straight into this video.
Bye, bubble boy. Bye, bubble boy.
Today's video, I'm going to be starting with my eyebrows. I'm just going to do that right now, just to get that out of the way, because I don't know, I just like doing my brows first before anything, because I think doing my brows is the most difficult part for me when it comes to makeup. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that.
Guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'd be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man.
So I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro Concealer to clean the brows.
And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
I'm going to be blending the concealer out with this brush just a little bit.
Your world on a woman, just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control. So
guys, I'm done with the brows. I'm going to prime my eyelids with this.
But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
And I'm going to be using this palette from Beauty Glazed. This palette is really beautiful. As you guys can see, I really don't know what I'm going for today. I'm just going to play around with the palette. Yeah. So I'm going to be using this color, this dark purple, really dark purple. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really, really dark. I'm going to be using that as the transition shade.
Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be.
So guys, I'm going to be going back to this palette. I'm going to be using this beautiful color here, this pink. I'm going to be using that also on my eyes.
Don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her.
So guys, I'll be going back to the palette. I'm going to be using this good. And actually guys, This 5 down here, they are actually glitter, and this ones up, they are just normal eyeshadow. but the one down, they are actually glitter. So I'm going to be using this gold glitter.
And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be the one fan. If you can be still
Doing the foundation right now, I'm going to be applying my primer.
then she'll be.
And actually guys, this is actually the way I do my makeup, okay? I just start with the eyes, then I go to the foundation, then I go back to the eyes. I really don't know why I like doing my makeup that way. So yeah, I'm just actually disinfecting my hand. So be safe guys, okay? Just wash your hand and disinfect your hand regularly. So yeah, and sorry about the lighting guys, I'm using the sun. I don't have the ring light yet, but I'm going to do that very soon. So I'm just going to be applying just a little bit of primer in my face because I'm actually not going out. So I'm just doing this video.
So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can.
So guys, I'm going to be using my
And she
foundation.
doesn't want someone to stare in her soul.
This was the foundation I used last time.
Still in the eye of her
So I'm just going to be applying that.
then she'll be your number one fan.
I'm going to be applying.
Don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can
I'm going to
control.
be applying my nose.
And she
also.
doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if
Okay.
you can
That is actually a straight line. I did a straight line for today. So yeah, I'm going to be contouring my face.
be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
Whoa. I'm going to be contouring my forehead. Also, you know, when it comes to makeup, actually, guys, my eyebrows is actually the most difficult part for me. I really don't know why.
And despite the
I really don't know why it's like that. My eyebrows is actually the most difficult part for me, and I don't know why. So I'm going to be actually contouring my nose also.
and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world
So yeah,
on a
as you
woman.
guys know, I have a mirror back of the camera, so that's why I'm looking back of the camera. I'm going to be using this today. I'm not going to be using Beauty Blender. I'm going to be using this. Let me see if there's any difference. You know, there's no difference. I think so.
She doesn't
So yeah, I'm going
want
to
someone
be
who she can control. And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. Don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control. control. And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you
For the nose, I think I'm going to be using the sponge so I can get into the area I want. So yeah.
You can be still in the eye of her storm.
Guys, I'm going to be baking my face today. I'm going to be using this banana powder. I don't know, I just feel like baking my face today. So I'm going to be applying it with a sponge. Just a little bit.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed. And she may not be there when you need her.
And
So
under my cheek.
don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her.
Just the place I
that
highlighted.
you can. Show her your power, that you'd be just fine without her.
I'm
And
going to put
you'll
that
be
also.
her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control. And she doesn't want someone to stare in
Need to be
her
using
soul.
this lady brush to brush
But if
them
you
out.
can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
I don't allow my powder to stay long in my face. I don't know why. I just like brushing it out instantly.
Don't put the weight of
Now I'll be going back to my eyes. I'm going to be using this eyeliner to align my eyes. So yeah.
Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her. And you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control. And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye.
So guys, I just did my lash off camera. As you guys can see, oh my god, my bonnet is coming off. Okay. I really don't want it to come up. Let me just deal with that. I'm going straight to the highlight. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette as my highlight. There's a beautiful good in here. As you can see, I already used a lot of it. So I'm going to be using that as my highlight. I'm going to apply it in my cheek.
Put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can.
My bonnet is actually coming off. I don't know why. It's just giving me trouble.
Without her, and you'll be her favorite man.
I'm almost done with the makeup.
She doesn't want someone
So yeah,
who
going
she
back.
can control. And she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll
be applying
be your
this
number
blush
one fan.
around my cheek. For my lips, I'm going with this baby pink. I'm just going to apply it on my hand.
Don't put the weight of your world
I'm going to
on
be
a
using
woman.
this to
Just
apply it
love
in my lips.
her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her. And you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control. And she doesn't want someone
So I'm going to be setting my
stare
face
in
with
her
this.
soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one
So guys, I'll be right back. Let me just fix my hair and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finishing look. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload more videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, Bubble Boy. Bye, Bubble